So today we're walking out here. I come out every day when I get home to check on my gardening, and I notice that our cows are really close. And I've been wondering why the leaves on my plants are suddenly disappearing or dying, and I want you to see why. This is Lucky, right here, and this is 39, and they are eating all of my spaghetti squash plants. So, apparently cows like to eat spaghetti squash leaves. And so therefore my spaghetti squash will probably cease to exist, at least those out there. So if you're wondering why your spaghetti squash or cucumbers are suddenly losing leaves, it could be the drought, it could be insects, or it could be Lucky. You learn lessons every day on the farm, and today I've learned a good lesson. Don't plant the squash where the cows can eat it. Okay. Have a good day. It's 105 degrees outside. It's 5:30 in the afternoon, but cows are enjoying it.